is Felicia and welcome to the very first video of Grandkids How Do I? In this particular video, I'm going to help you figure out how to create a YouTube account. That way you can like, subscribe, or comment in our videos. In order to do this with me, I hope that you have a computer on the side to follow along the steps. Pause if you need to, and keep playing when you're ready for the next step. In this particular video, I'm going to show you how to create a Gmail account, so an email through Google. And this account is going to be really useful to you because you can access many different of Google's features, but most importantly, the biggest one is being able to email and using your YouTube account. So grab your computer and let's get started. To begin with, go ahead and click on Google Chrome, or if you have an Apple, you can hit on Safari. It really doesn't matter. So I'm zooming in into the web bar where we can type in youtube.com. There, it'll take us straight to the website and we can create it from here as well. So let it load for a bit. Now once your website has loaded, I am going to zoom in to the top right where there's a sign in button. You can click on it and it will take you to the screen. Now from here we want to click on create account if you are having a new one and click on for myself. Now from here you'll be taken to the screen where you can type in your first name, last name, and create an email address for yourself. So first off, I'm going to type in my name. My name is Felicia and my last name is Tay. And I'm going to click on create a new Gmail address instead. That way I'm able to type in a username that I need, and you cannot have spaces. All of them has to be together. So I'm just going to put Felicia Tay 00. Now, for the password though, I'm going to show you that you need a stronger password. Google didn't allow me to, but I'm going to create a password that I will remember and you can write it down as well. Now, to make sure that your password and your confirm password boxes are the same, I'm going to hit that I button, and that I button shows that, yes, I did it correctly. So then I can hit the next button. And you will see this screen come up if you have an Apple product. Now, if you have an Apple computer, I would recommend you hitting save password if you can. You might end up forgetting, and that way when you sign up, you don't have to remember. And I would now plug in your phone number. I'm not going to show for privacy's sake, but type it in and you'll send a text message just to verify it. Now, if you come back to the original YouTube website, you can click sign in, and in this case, my computer remembers my email, and furthermore, it remembers my password. So now I don't have to type it in, it is automatically loaded, and now I can go ahead and browse YouTube on my own. You can see my logo, my notifications, and also all the other YouTube components are there. Thank you so much for watching this video, and for our upcoming videos we are going to teach you how to like and comment so that in the future you can comment what kind of stuff that you want to learn about this new technology, and we'll be able to help you out with these. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you next time.